If you are an Indian, you must have seen his videos undoubtedly. Personally, it is my go-to for latest information. His videos are amazing, which are mainly infographic animations that can be smooth and mesmerizing at times. So let's try to create one of the animations. Let's try to make something close to this on Canva. If you are an old viewer of ours, you might have guessed what we are going to do. Take a simple circle, add a car's illustration on the side and set transparency to 0. Duplicate the slide and drag car to the center and set transparency to 100. Duplicate it, select all and decrease its size. Duplicate it again. Add 2 transparent circles to the right. Duplicate it. Separate the 2 circles and make them opaque. Add the required illustrations in the circles and set transparency to 0. Duplicate it. Make illustrations visible. Add more illustrations and align them in the center of circles and send it in the background. Duplicate it. Now drag those illustrations at required places. Duplicate it. Select all and decrease their sizes while changing their positions and adding a transparent circle to the left. Duplicate it, add illustrations, set transparency to 0 and lower it. Duplicate it, make illustrations visible and set it to original position. Duplicate it, add money behind the car illustration as taught. Now just add match and move transition between these frames. Pretty close. What we did was, we took a reference, added required illustrations of the previous frame in transparent and made them opaque in the next one, and made use of match and move. Original's great, and we just understood how we can make a similar design, and that too in Canva. I would love to see your designs using match and move.